save water, conservation of water is very important, so that everybody on the earth, all the natural creatures which are available on the earth, which are present on the earth, they all have right to use whatever natural resources are available for them also equally as we are using. There is more water in the atmosphere combined rivers, means including rivers. Shower takes 70 gallons of water. If we use shower and for bathing instead of using buckets and all, and everybody on the all human beings is calculated, then 70 gallons of water is wasted. We shower, we just in the morning, those who have boring pumps at home, they will open their gate and they will clean they clean their vehicles with the water pipes and they waste water. I hope you people understand, if so many people, 1.8 billion people on the earth are not able to use fresh water, you don't waste water. Water scarcity and its causes. Scarcity का मतलब कमी, insufficiency or shortness of supply. Water scarcity is the lack of sufficient available water resources to meet water need within a region. एक रीजन में जितनी ज़रूरत है पानी की, उसमें जब पानी की कमी होती है तो उसको कहा जाता है वाटर स्कार्सिटी. Water scarcity is divided into physical scarcity and economic scarcity. Physical scarcity is related with place. On place is situation when water is not abundant enough to meet all demands. इतना पानी ही नहीं कि सबकी डिमांड पूरी हो सके. Such as those required by an ecosystem to function effectively, or where water seems abundant but resources are overcommitted. Overcommitted है, कमिटमेंट ज़्यादा यानी लोग ज़्यादा हैं और रिसोर्स कम है. ठीक है, इसका एग्जाम्पल है राजस्थान और दूसरा दिल्ली. बहुत है, ओवर पॉपुलेटेड सिटी है इंडिया की. इकोनॉमिक स्कार्सिटी जहाँ पे इन्वेस्टमेंट के हिसाब से आती है, लैक ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट इन वाटर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और इनसफिशिएंट ह्यूमन कैपेसिटी टू सेटिस्फाई डिमांड ऑफ वाटर इन एरियाज. एग्जाम्पल टैप्स, वेल्स. एंड फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे हम लोग अफ्रीका के बारे में, अफ्रीका का एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं. अफ्रीका के एग्जाम्पल में यहाँ पे हम ये ले सकते हैं कि पुअर कंट्री है, दे डोंट हैव मनी टू इन्वेस्ट फॉर वाटर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर.